Hello, this is Jess Hay from Creative Cards to You. Well, this is one of the most gorgeous cards I've ever created, and it was so easy. I started with this patterned paper from Lou Collins' Dragonfly Dreams Textures line. I love everything about this paper pad. You would be proud of me. I didn't save it because it was too pretty. It deserves to be used. I took this paper and ran it through a Gina K lattice embossing folder. I forgot I did use some ink on this card, Catherine Pooler Champagne ink, but only for rubbing it over the embossed background. Then I cut this pretty jar of papers from the opposite side of this page. I love that you get more than 2 of each page, so it makes you feel better about using it. I flipped through the pad to get some elements and settled on this letters punch out, and I put it in different places before settling on the bottom of the card panel. I glued it down to the bottom of the panel. I wanted something more that peeked out from behind the jar, so I took out this envelope as well. Now, the top corner of the card looked a little bare, and I was thinking of elements of 3, so I searched through the pad and I found this moon and rectangles, so I cut it out. I cut the envelope in pieces and glued the top of it to the bottom left of the card panel. I glued the moon part down as well. I thought it needed a little something, so I took a cutout flower from the pad. I put foam pieces on the jar for more dimension. Then I cut out this sentiment I made on my computer and printed onto matte photo paper. I put foam on the end of it so it would be mostly flush with the jar. I finished the card off with ebony gems from Amazon. There you have it, a simply gorgeous card. Do you save your pattern paper or use it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.